Hey, so anyways, do you guys know I am annoyed? Some douchebag blocking my short, it called, Karen gets karma. Please tell them how it's not cool blocking the anyone's short, and please let anyone unblock my short please. Anyways, today is, Ernesto runs on his old red Audi traffic light / ticket and grounded. Sorry about that, I am annoyed.
Hey Dad.
Yes Ernesto?
My old rusty red Audi gas is almost run out, so can I go to gas station, Shell?
Yes you can.
Thanks.
Oh, I almost forgot to mention, don't you dare misbehave or destroy the gas station, because if you do, then you will be grounded or sent to jail, understand?
I understood.
Good, so you can go.
Okay, I will start drive. Are you kidding me right now? That douchebag is blocking my road.
What the heck, you douchebag? How dare you horn at me, douchebag?
Get out of my way.
No, I can't.
Then fine.
I want run that traffic light red with my car again, but I don't want a ticket again.
This is second time that the second car has running that traffic light. First it's Karen, and now this.
Yeah, ugh.
Let's pull him over.
Okay, let's go pull the gas. Let's go home.
Pull over now. Get outside. Oh, it's Karen, and now this? Ernesto, did you know I pull you over?
No sir.
Sir, the reason I pull you over, that's because you run the traffic light with your car. That's it, I have no choice, but I give a ticket. Here you go. Have a good day.
I will go home.
Ernesto, you're back.
Dad?
Yes, what is it Ernesto?
Dad, I got ticket for running the traffic light with my old car. That's because I do not want my old car ran out. So, that's why I running the traffic light with my old car.
Ernesto, how dare you get ticket for running the traffic light with your old car? Did you know that's stupid and very dumb? That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded for 22 days. Now go to your room right freaking now, 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 now.
Hey.